What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, here to wish you guys all a Merry Christmas. And also for those who don't celebrate Christmas, have a good day. Yeah, I just thought, make a quick little video just to say Merry Christmas to you all. Show you guys some Christmas views that I've got for the next couple weeks. And yeah, wish you a great week ahead. Last week of the year, hopefully this motivates somebody to push on for their goals and crack on and achieve something great before the new year and going into the new year. So yeah, like I said, I'll just show you some views, show you around, and then I guess that's kind of it. So again, Merry Christmas everybody. Let's have a look.
Parar assim. Mas se tá aqui é parar, você faz um sinal. Mas se tá aqui é essa. Isso é tudo nosso.
Pina colada.
Okay, so I hope you guys did enjoy that little glimpse of Lisbon. It's definitely a place I recommend you guys to visit. And yeah, a lot of effort went into putting all that together, so hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, you guys know the usual. Just like it, drop the comments in the video as well. Also make sure you guys subscribe if you're new around here. I know a lot of you guys have been coming back for a long time, so I appreciate you. But like I said, if you're new, just drop the thumbs up and also subscribe. So yeah, that's mainly it, guys. Thanks a lot again. As always, make sure you share the videos as well with your friends. And like I said, hopefully you guys did enjoy a little glimpse of Lisbon. So thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it for me. I got money to make. You got money to make. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.